Welcome to Petrie Island in Ottawa. Today we're here to fly a drone, specifically the DJI Mini 3 Pro. You've probably, if you follow my channel, you've probably seen this drone a few times around my neighborhood. However, today we're really gonna stretch its legs and or its wings rather, and really see how well this thing flies. Obviously, it is a really nice day, barely any wind, nice and sunny. Believe it or not, we are in spring in Canada, although there's still snow on the ground. We just got hit with a major ice storm this week, which pretty much, closed down the city. So schools and most people are not working. So I figure today would be a good day to come out here and actually try to test the drone. There is a few nice places to actually fly this. There is a lake on the right side of me, where usually you will see migrating animals, so like ducks and geese, and on the left side there is the Ottawa River. We're far away from the downtown core, so we should be pretty safe in terms of flying this drone. The city is kind of limited as to where you can fly, especially with the downtown core that has a lot of federal government buildings, but I think we'll be fine here today. This is a beach, so in the summer it's a beautiful area. If you're ever in town, it's a nice place to go swimming. But today it is winter, or rather spring, but there's still some ice and snow everywhere, so swimming is not an option, but at least we can fly. All right, so let's test this out. So the drone is about 1 kilometer that way. So far it's following my instruction and I'm doing some quick shots. But in terms of the signal, I have about 2 bars out of, I'd say 4. And it's kind of reporting a weak signal. So that's not really great considering that it's supposed to have 10-kilometer range and it's less than 1 kilometer away. So far so good, but hopefully we don't lose signal and lose a drone. But I'll keep flying and I'll report back. Just as I was saying that, it's lost signal, but it's coming home on its own. So at least that's good. We're not gonna lose a drone. Well, we got the drone back safe and sound. It did run out of battery, so pretty much I think I used 25 minutes, half hour, and it's back. I got to essentially fly it around and try those quick shots. They all worked. The only thing is it says that I'm in a warning zone. Essentially means that there are some things that they want to protect around here, so I'm limited to flying at most 100 meters in the air, which is more than enough that I need, but otherwise it performed flawlessly. Besides just having a battery that doesn't last very long, you can't really travel as far as this thing says it can. So I think if you were to push it past 10K, I don't think you'll get it back, but for sure a couple of kilometers you could go travel and take some pretty awesome shots. So I did shot some video and photos, and I'll be happy to share it in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch the battery out. I have 2 more in my pocket, and we'll try a few new shots. Very impressive in terms of capability. The thing flies really well. It takes some pretty amazing pictures, which I'm going to show you in this video. It's very stable in the air. The only limitation really is the battery at the moment, and sometimes it loses signal, but otherwise I'm really happy with the drone considering what I paid for. Super capable, and I'm really looking forward to using it in an actual really nice venue where I can take some pretty nice pictures. Obviously here it's pretty nice, but you know, there's not a lot of buildings or really impressive items that would deem worthy, but nonetheless it was a good test. The wind did pick up, so it was struggling at the end. It kept telling me that there was strong wind warning, and so it kind of scared me a little bit, and it sent it back to me. But otherwise, I can't. It's money well spent. If you like this kind of, I guess, videos, hit the like and subscribe button, and